What's up guys, it's me again, and today we will be shrinking a bag in a microwave. He'll be recording it. Go subscribe to him, MasonTube HD, and go ahead. Be careful, that's where the orange button stops it. And yeah, so that's that. Child!
Do you want to fight?
Yes! Well, maybe. Let's see how small it is.
Why?
Oh my gosh, it worked!
Did it work?
Oh my gosh, guys, it works. Did you...
Is it hot?
Is it okay?
It's kind of hot.
Here, I got it.
Oh my god. I just wanted to go home.
Okay.
Okay, we're out.
Alright, we're out of here, guys. We're breaking out. We're breaking out. We're breaking out. Okay. Guys, this is the reveal of the bag. That's what here. This is what happens when you microwave a bag. Super cool. It just shrinks up. It electrocutes. Yeah, I went. Anyways, that's that. It's been it with me, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace out.